excited for today's video because finally जो मेरे reels पे या मेरे other social media platforms पे आता रहता है जो viral recipes for coffee, I'm finally going to try this out. And मैंने भी इसे try नहीं किया है, आपने भी नहीं किया होगा, तो हम दोनों मिलके try करते हैं something which is crazy or a really cool combination. So, welcome to the kitchen. This is the Sen Kitchen Diaries. My favorite place. It's the kitchen. It's really pretty. This is the fridge, and I'm one of those people मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है magnets collect करना. Every place I go, so we have Vienna, we have Seoul, we have Jeju. This is a recent one. Then we have Amsterdam. We have all of the places that I have visited. मुझे हमेशा से green kitchen करना था. I always loved the idea of having a green kitchen. And मुझे लगा कि आप short form में देखते हैं Sen Kitchen Diaries. तो मैंने सोचा कि इसे कॉन्सेप्ट बना लेते हैं and let's do a YouTube format. So for all my YouTube fans, let's go!
Let's try a weird food combination, Coke plus coffee.
For the first thing, super simple. You need Coke, vanilla, zero sugar, Coca-Cola. So I'm a person, मैं actually Coca-Cola, Sprite ये सब उतना पीती नहीं हूँ. But for this recipe, we just need this, an espresso shot and some ice. How about that? Wow. ये आइडिया तो बहुत क्रेजी है कि आप वेनिला कोक में कॉफी डाल रहे हो. Like I'm almost offended by that. Let's get some ice. फिर जो मैंने वीडियो देखी उनके पास वैसे आइस थे, the small chipped ice. I also want that. Maybe for the next video we'll have that. For now we have normal round ice. Let's put. Please don't mind the construction noise. Oh, okay, fun. I think I should try it before putting the espresso shot. क्योंकि मैंने vanilla को try नहीं किया है, so let's try this. That's interesting. I get it. और मुझे hype पता चल रही Coke की. Everybody is a fan of zero calorie Coke. What is something that everybody is saying? Diet Coke. Diet Coke, everybody. It's like they can see me और मैं जब भी बोलने जा रही हूँ they're saying stuff. But okay. Now we're going to put this espresso shot. मुझे अजीब लग रहा है ये करते हुए, but let's do it. This feels like crime. ये गलत लग रहा है. Did you see my shot glass? This is from Seoul. Okay. This looks bomb. Let's see how this tastes, shall we? Wait, that's actually good. You guys did it. हमने सही चीजों को वायरल की है. Wow. It's so refreshing and it's so like summer. Wow. It's like, have you guys tried cold brew with ginger ale? Like वो जो fancy, you know, like with tonic water, espresso, this, that. It's something like that, but because of the vanilla flavor, I think that's why it just tastes so good. So our first drink is a hit. It's a 10 on 10 and Sen approved. For the second one, we're making strawberry latte with coffee, obviously. And I love strawberries, so I'm really excited for this one. It's not a weird combination. It kind of is, but let's just give it a try. 4-5 strawberries are good. 5. So किसी भी चीज को ले सकते हैं जिससे you know basically the strawberry gets crushed and वो कुछ ऐसा लगेगा. Basically you need strawberry puree. दिख रहा है? Now we crush this entirely. That's it. We need some milk. आप कोई भी milk ले सकते हैं. I'm a big almond girl fan. Almond girl? Almond milk girl. This is my favorite. I love this milk so much. This is not an ad. Genuinely, I love this milk so much. If you know, you know. Wow, look how pretty that looks. I have heart-shaped eyes. Can you see how pretty this is? It's perfect. What more do you need? You put. I don't like a lot of ice in my drinks, so just 3. And now we need espresso. So if you don't have a machine, you can just use instant coffee. कोई भी आप ले सकते हैं, कोई भी instant coffee. गरम पानी थोड़ा सा, and then just put it. I'm going to use an espresso shot. I'll be right back. So shot is ready. Oh my god, that looks awesome. It looks amazing. Just imagine you're going to do this. You're going to froth this up. If you must have heard cold foam, you can just make it with some milk, any milk of your choice. Take this much milk, just about that, and a little bit of cream. This is what I do. If you think that you know your drink needs a little something extra, just do this. Vanilla syrup, milk, cream, froth it up. Yes. This is the speed अगर आपके पास कॉफी मशीन नहीं है, you should just get this one. This is, you can do anything with this. You don't need a machine.
Ooh, see?
Now we're going to pour it on top of our drink. Whoa, look at that. Let's mix this up. Ooh. Okay, I see. Officially a barista. I think that's awesome. I'm emotional. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा ये. I love this. This is like strawberry shortcake with coffee. Like two of my favorite things combined. This is awesome. This is amazing. जब तक ये वीडियो खत्म होगा मैं इतनी कॉफी पी चुकी होंगी. आज नींद नहीं हो रही. But you should definitely give this a try. It's very easy. It took me about 5 minutes to make this. Strawberry latte. Sen approves. It's 10 on 10. For the next one, we are doing banana milk latte. When I go to Seoul, मेरी favorite drink है banana milk and it's so delicious. अगर आप कभी भी कोरिया जाते हैं, Seoul जाते हैं, any 7-Eleven that you find, you should get these mini. Please add that image, banana milk का image, and it's so delicious.
You're looking like one.
I do look like one banana milk today. That's the aesthetic we're going for, and that's what we're making next. So we're going to try to replicate that drink that I've had in Korea, which is banana milk latte. And for that, we need banana. We have cut some banana, perfect, a bit of maple syrup, just because it adds some sweetness. I'm eyeballing it. I am not measuring anything. I think that is enough. Now, we should use the Now, this coffee is from Tanzania and it's one of my favorite trips that I've ever been on, and they're using coffee from there. Double shot is 2 tablespoons. You can make it single shot. Just really like my coffee strong. Let's blend everything. Let's put like 5 and 6 hearts. And I think if I can add 1 scoop of whey protein, तो उससे फिर वो banana protein shake भी हो जाएगा with some coffee. I don't know if it's correct, but I think you can do it. तो मैंने सुना है कि आप आजकल प्रोटीन से कुछ बना सकते हैं with whey. Oh wow, that is just phenomenal. It is the perfect size. Wow, हो जाना चाहिए. अब तो Sen Cafe I think is. And then you guys can come visit, and then I can make coffee for you. What if we do something like that, like Sen Kitchen Diaries with fans, with Anushkins? Sounds like a good idea. That is amazing. See, I love banana. I don't know if you like it, but it's like a strong banana flavor. So if you don't like banana, maybe it's not for you. But I would give this like a 8 on 10. Yeah, 8 on 10. It's not my most favorite, but it's not bad. That's good. For the next weird/cool combination, we are doing blueberry latte, and I'm super excited about this one because I really love blueberries. We have blueberries here. It's gonna be a slower process because I'm using a small spoon, but bear with me please. I love that we are doing this because I've been wanting to try these recipes for a long time, and thanks to you guys, हम सब मिलके ये try कर पा रहे हैं, and now we have 4 new drinks that we love. That's good. We have some milk. Let's put that. You can use almond milk, skim milk, normal milk. We have instant coffee again. Ooh, that's a lot. That's a little crazy. Because blueberry is going to be sweet, so we need to kind of balance that. And here we go. Fingers crossed. Now I feel that I've done something wrong because the video was blended blueberries, then milk, and then coffee on top. So we kind of messed up, but it's fine. It's after all the same thing. It's just बहुत pretty लगता देखने में, but it's fine. We're just being more smart. We're just blending everything. Let's see though. अगर हमें ऐसा कुछ लगा, we can just put more milk on top or something. Yeah, see, that's what I thought that I was missing out. मैं कुछ तो गलत कर रही हूँ मैं.
कुछ नहीं, we'll add a photo उधर, कोई सीन नहीं है.
है ना? Oh, that was awesome.
ASMR.
Now we're going to put some ice. I think that's enough. You can add more ice if you like. Let's see how this is going to be. I'm very worried because I messed up the way we should have done it. Let's pour this. Okay, that looks like a dark chocolate shake. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Blueberry latte. Ooh. This is like a solid 4 out of 10. It probably is because I messed up the way we're supposed to do this, because this tastes like bad. This is bad. Don't do this. Don't make this. Or make this the way it is supposed to be. No, but why? It'll be the same. It's the same thing. आप ऐसे बनाओ या उसको segregate करके, it's gonna be the same taste. So Sen does not approve. This is Sen gives thumbs down because this is like 4 out of 10. I do not like this. But great, we at least have 3 drinks that we really loved. We have our weird vanilla Coke coffee. Then we have strawberry latte. Then we have our banana milk latte. This is fine. The blueberry one I wouldn't recommend. But it was a fun experience to make these new drinks. आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप मुझे comments में बता सकते हैं कि ऐसा कौन सा crazy combination, like I think people say pineapple on pizza or like Maggie with tomato or whatever it is you guys like or don't like, but you guys want me to try. Tell me all the crazy combinations जो आप चाहते हैं कि मैं बनाऊं या मैं try करूं, and we're gonna do that in the next video. And until then, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and bye bye.